Technology displaced some 8 million farmers in the US, 7 million factory workers, over 1 million railroad workers, hundreds of thousands of telephone operators. We've lost gas pumpers, elevator attendants, travel agents. Tons of jobs have died, but work persists.
What you realize when you look through these old reports is that it's really easy for us to see the jobs being replaced by machines. It's a lot harder to visualize the jobs that come from what happens next.
New technology creates jobs in a few ways. There are the direct jobs for people who design and maintain the technology, and sometimes whole new industries built on the technology. But the part we tend to forget is the indirect effect of labor-saving inventions. When companies can do more with less, they can expand, maybe add new products or open new locations. And they can lower prices to compete. And that means consumers can buy more of their product. Or if we don't want more of it, we can use the savings to buy other things. Maybe we go to more sports events or out to dinner more often. Maybe we get more haircuts or add more daycare for the kids. This process is how our standard of living has improved over time, and it's always required workers.
The key sort of economic logic here is automation does indeed displace workers who are doing work that got automated, but it doesn't actually affect the total number of jobs in the economy because of these offsetting effects.
Warnings about the end of work tend to focus on this part and not all of this, like a widely cited study from 2013.
According to research conducted by Oxford University, nearly half of all current jobs in America,
47% of all our jobs,
47% of U.S. jobs in the next decade or two, according to researchers at Oxford, will be replaced by robots.
That study assessed the capabilities of automation technology. It didn't try to estimate the actual extent or pace of automation or the overall effect on employment. Now, all this doesn't mean that the new jobs will show up right away or that they'll be located in the same place or pay the same wage as the ones that were lost. All it means is that the overall need for human work hasn't gone away.